What's up guys, Matt here, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing, assembling, and reviewing this Mythinglogic garden tool storage rack. I'm absolutely pumped about this. It's really going to clean up a lot of the tools in my garage. Full disclosure, I was given this product for free in order to do this video, but it won't be affecting anything I say. So let's get this thing assembled and put together. Right, it is complete and it is beautiful. Wanted to let you know a few notes that will make it easier for you. I would definitely recommend having a drill with a Phillips bit and a screwdriver. I found it was most useful to tighten the screws all the way in with the drill. Do the last 5% with the screwdriver just to prevent stripping of the threads. Almost every rod on this has threading inside there. It's all real heavy duty stuff. I'm very impressed. The paint job on it is really clean, and I'm super thankful that almost all of these parts are symmetrical, so you don't have to be as careful about lining stuff up. And then it does have these hooks that are totally detachable. They actually stay quite secure. I was impressed by how these go on. They just go on like this. You snap them on, and there are 8 of them, I believe, 4 on each side. So just a great storage rack system. I'm pumped to utilize this in my garage. And then this is literally the entire instructions. There's nothing else, which I absolutely loved. It's very cohesive. There's literally 28 of these black screws. They look like this, and that makes it so practical because there's not all these different types of screws you gotta worry about. And depending how handy you are and how good you are with instructions and not making mistakes and whatnot, you're probably in for 30 to 45 minutes for the assembly for this, but if you're really good at this stuff, you can do it faster. Other than that, let's go set it up. I am so pumped. All right, so here's my current mess in the garage. Let's see what this thing can do and try and organize some of this, and also just get it off the ground because in the winter, got some moisture in here from melting snow and whatnot on the tires. So let's see what we can do. All right, guys, we did it. It's not perfect, it's not beautiful, but it's a dang lot better. Check that out, and I can move all of those things at the same time. Got everything lifted off the ground. Got the pole saw, the broom. The weed whacker is just a difficult one. Got the leaf blower in there, got the chainsaw that fit perfect. I got my little paint platform extension for the ladder. We've got some salt for the sidewalk. We've got potting soil. We've got traction sand, more salt. I can just tidy this back up. Good to go. So hopefully this video shows you exactly what to expect with this storage rack. I love mine. I'll catch you on the next one.